Hello, my people. You get one day where one woman they go her own JJ. Nine one bobo, one gidiban boy from back, come out the woman handbag, begin the terrorists. If you see this bobo, the terrorists, you go they wonder why Nigeria get this kind of people. They know if you can represent Niger for Olympic, for race tearing. Now so this man the terrorists they go 9-1 AK man where they nearby, they watch one bank, they do security for the bank. Provoke. Now so this man carrying long Chakakpum. And this man has seen they try making escape. They can't do a as he do the tour. Everybody where see what happen, they say you don't get the person where in one bring down. Because he's another person. They can't look. They same clothes, everything. The same stature, the same color. Top, down, not the same. People can say, this man don't enter problem. The problem where he enter be say, no be ordinary, make it something come out, for person body. This one be say, the person right hand they come out. Okay, the person where get right hand, they will come out. Picking right hand, say, he no go agree. Say they make them meet am for court. Now there they go settle the matter. Say they must give her his hand back. As they go court, now you know this side go bring lawyer, this one go bring lawyer. So the lawyer argument, you know how learned gentlemen and ladies they take talk now. After a while, now the magistrate can say make everybody hear what he want talk. Because now him they summarize matter for court now. Now so this man talk say make everybody beg. Make una no vex, make una look my face. Make una look and well. I saw that everybody carry face, their own face put for the magistrate face. As then they look and they can't notice say the magistrate's eyes be like this. They say when I don't see and well, they say yes. They say, "Abeg, make una help me look the Chakakpum man, the AK man, face too. See what una go fit tell me." They look. As everybody carry eye put for AK man. Because he said the AK man get the same eye where the chief judge get. The AK man eye do like this. They say, when I don't see anything, they say, what do you see? If it gets somebody, the content and say, see that, they say, okay, as soon as I don't see it now. If it gets anybody where they here, where fit they look like me or this AK man, make the person tell me what they see. Some people where sabi do this thing, can't look. They can't tell and say, if they look one person, they did too. Say, correct. Now this kind of problem, now him, I dey face, since where I enter this job. If I dey look one matter, it go dey be like saying two matter. I thank God say I still survive, reach now. This second man, now the problem where in the gate. If you want to do something like that thing where you do now two person will appear. And the thing come there was say the person where appear come be person where dress like the other person. Now so this thing be. Person where then carry him back, I beg, no verse. That one mistaken thing. A mistaken Chakakpum. Person wearing commoting hand. Now mistaken Chakakpum kosa. But if we now want dragon, go another place. That place we now won't go. Where you now think say you go get justice pass as una fit get now. The man where they there, in hand, in eye, now so he be. The officers, even the government prosecutor, now so in face be. So make una bear this one for mine before una go there. Courts, rise, case closed. So the matter take end for that side. My people, I beg, make una help me like, subscribe, follow, share, and make una go to comment section. Anything we do on our mind, make una talk about this story where I tell una now. All right, guys, see you people some other time. Bye bye.